You're standing in a store staring at your banking app, frozen over a decision that should be simple. Your thumb hovers, your eyes pause, and time stretches longer than it needs to. It's not confusion, it's hesitation. Nothing feels urgent in this moment, but nothing feels completely safe either. You're not panicking, you're calculating, replaying outcomes in your head. So instead of acting, you pause. That feeling doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means you care deeply about making the right decision. And caring is not the problem, overthinking is just where it shows up. Most money stress doesn't come from earning too little. It comes from standing still, unsure which choice actually matters. When every decision feels heavy, clarity disappears. I'm John, and this is Cash Plan with John. This channel is about making money decisions feel calmer, clearer, and less overwhelming. No noise, just structure that makes sense. In this video, I'll show you how to stop overthinking money decisions using calm planning, not shortcuts or hype. If you want clarity instead of stress, stay with me until the end. This is where your journey to financial freedom begins. Overthinking usually doesn't start randomly. It shows up during big life shifts when your income changes, your career feels uncertain, or your family responsibilities grow. In those moments, every decision suddenly feels heavier than it should. When you don't have a plan, every money decision feels equally important. Spending, saving, investing, it all feels like it could be the wrong move. That mental pressure is what makes money exhausting instead of empowering. Planning doesn't eliminate uncertainty, and it's not meant to. What it does give you is a stable place to stand away to tell which decisions matter now and which can wait. That clarity is what turns stress into calm progress. Before we go deeper, let's reset how you think about money decisions. The truth is, not every financial choice deserves the same amount of mental energy. When everything feels equally important, your brain stays stuck in stress mode. The first step is separating protective decisions from optional ones. Protective decisions are about survival, safety, and stability. Optional decisions are about upgrades, lifestyle, and comfort. Protective decisions keep your life steady when things go wrong. They reduce the risk that one surprise turns into a financial disaster. Optional decisions can wait because they're meant to improve comfort, not protect your foundation. When you decide in the right order, overthinking naturally fades away. You stop arguing with yourself about everything at once. Calm comes from knowing what needs action now, and what can safely wait. Before you think about growing money, you have to protect what already keeps your life steady. This means covering the basics so one surprise doesn't knock everything over. When protection is clear, your mind stops treating every choice like an emergency. Once the foundation is safe, routine decisions shouldn't drain your energy. Simple rules remove the need to debate the same choices again and again. That's how discipline starts to feel calm instead of restrictive. Even the best plan needs room to breathe. Planning is meant to guide you, not trap you in perfection. When flexibility exists, confidence replaces overthinking. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to optimize every money decision at the same time. They treat small choices like life or death decisions. That pressure builds fast and drains your mental energy. This usually comes from information overload. When you read too much, compare too much, every option starts to feel risky. Instead of clarity, you end up frozen. A safer approach is choosing decisions that are simply good enough. Focus first on protecting your stability, not perfect outcomes. Calm returns when you stop trying to win every choice. Protection and risk checks are where calm really begins. This part isn't about predicting every outcome, it's about making sure one bad moment doesn't derail your entire life. When protection is clear, your decisions feel lighter. The real danger isn't choosing the wrong option, it's freezing and doing nothing. A simple plan reduces stress because it limits how many choices you have to face. Fewer decisions mean less emotional exhaustion. Prevention keeps small uncertainties from turning into long-term damage. You don't need better choices, you need fewer of them. Peace often comes from simplicity, not perfection. You don't need perfect answers to move forward, you just need a clear order of decisions and the patience to stick with it. Long-term stability isn't built by constant thinking, it's built by calm repetition, even when you don't feel fully certain yet. If this helped you feel a little calmer, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe to Cash Plan with John for clarity-based growth, and share this with someone who's stuck overthinking right now, and tell me in the comments, What money decision are you overthinking the most? This is Catch Plan with John, where we build financial stability without panic or pressure. Take care, move forward at your pace, and make the next money decision a calm one.